So here it is guys, a successful payout with this legit application.
Welcome sa aming channel. This is R.
And this is M.
Welcome to RMDIY YouTube channel. Kung gusto mo na mapagkakakitaan habang ginagamit mo ang oras mo sa pagse-cellphone at internet, andito ang aming channel para kayo ay turuan na siguradong kikita kayo ng pera.
And guys, every video, nagpapag-giveaway kami ng cash sa Gcash.
Kaya ano pa ang inaantay nyo? I-subscribe mo na at hit notification bell para updated kayo sa mga video na ina-upload namin.
Congratulations to all the winners, please notify me on the comment to claim your prize.
Okay, sa una nating game, mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa comment section ng kahit ano na tungkol sa video to. At samahan nyo ng hashtag r.m.diy. Tapos, dapat hindi ulit-ulit para hindi kayo matag as spam. One comment is equal to one entry. Kaya, the more the comment, the more chances of winning. Tapos, every video, may 2 winners na 20 pesos.
So here it is guys, a successful payout with this legit application. So here it is guys, there's a new cash in method here in Happy Game. If you don't know, I will show you. First, we go to wallet. Then click cash in. As you can see guys, there's no Gcash, cash in. So XRP guys is a type of cryptocurrency. There's a feature in coins.ph that you can use. If you don't have XRP balance at coins.ph, we can transfer some cash from Gcash to coins.ph. I will teach you that first. Click XRP. Then it's up to you how much you want to cash in. I will go with 200, then press confirm. As you can see, this is the wallet address and XRP tag. You just have to save this somewhere, because we will be needing this upon cash in coins.ph. Now we go to coins.ph. If you don't have it, you just have to download it from Google Play Store and then sign up using your cell phone number or Facebook. So guys, this is the balance of my coins.ph, 55 pesos. And my XRP balance is 0. Then we go to cash to transfer cash to our coins.ph. On your Gcash, just click bank transfer. Then view all. Then search coins.ph Pay. Then enter the amount you want to transfer to coins.ph. Then enter your cell phone number you used on coins.ph to account name and number. Then we go back to coins.ph. There's our new balance. After that we can now transfer PHP to XRP. Just click convert. So I will convert my whole balance. Then change this to XRP. Then slide to convert. As you can see, my whole PHP balance is successfully converted to XRP. Now you'll have to click send. Just click enter XRP wallet address. Then you just have to fill up the wallet address and destination tag. Just go back to Happy Game, then copy the wallet address. Then paste it here. Then the destination tag is your referral code. Double check it guys to be sure. Then click send XRP. Then enter the amount. And then slide to send. Now back to Happy Game. Yeah, he successfully sent. After we cash in, we can now play game here at Happy Game. Like this game, Mad Monkey. Your 5 pesos will have a chance to grow up to 428 pesos. I will show you guys how to play this. In here you have to do guys is just press the spin button, then you'll just have to wait for the prize you won. Do you see guys, I just won 13 pesos in an instant. It's just that easy. This is a new game called Baccarat.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up?